Good day, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Nnadi.B.C content tutorials. And as the host of this channel, I would love to welcome you to another episode of this channel. And now, please, before we proceed, I would love for you to click on the subscribe button and to be able to get more of our videos, and for you to get the new series of where I'll be teaching on how to program websites. It's going to be very interesting. So please make sure to subscribe. So let's proceed to what we have for today. Now we'll be considering the basic PowerPoint. So let's start from when you open your PowerPoint. From when you open your PowerPoint, this is basically what you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing various templates. I've explained what templates are, and you see a blank presentation. So let's click on the blank presentation quickly. Oh well, now that I've clicked on the blank presentation, first thing first, I would like for you to insert any design of your choice. Any. But me, I'll go with this one. Now that I've gone with our design, just choose a title. Let's say computer tutorials. You go to home, change your font style. I assume you already know how to do that if you watch our episode 4. And please, if you don't know how to do that, please make sure to subscribe and get our episode 4. So choose any font of our choice. So I choose this one and increase the font style. I say style size. Now that I've increased it, I will just want to fit it into position. Now I've fitted it into position. Now I want to create another typing box where I'll be able to input my text. I'll just go to my insert and click on text box, and then I'll draw my text box in the places that I need them. Now there's a reason I drew 2 text boxes, so I'll deal with one first. Here I'll click on I'll type on Ep5. Yes. And over here by Nnadi.B.C. So now that I've done this, the next thing is to format my work. Now that I want to format it, I'll change the font style. I want it to be in this form. I will increase the font size so that it will be noticeable. And over here, do the same thing. Increase the font size for it to be noticeable, but not too bold. I will come here, change the font style. I would love for it to be in this handwriting or font style. So now that I've done that, as you can see, the black here, this one black does not fit it well. So I will have to change the font color, and I assume you know how to do that. Please, if you don't know how to do any of these things, or I'm rushing you, or I'm being too fast, please make sure to let me know in the comments section. I will read all of them. And please, if you don't understand how to do all these basic things I'm doing, please make sure to subscribe and get my previous video to know how to do all this. Now I want to insert another one. Here, see, on you, and I would like to duplicate it. And if I want to duplicate, I'll just click on Ctrl D and see another version of it. I'll put this version here. I now say free. And if you read it all together, free computer tutorials on YouTube. Now see you by Nnadi.B.C episode 5. Now I'll come here, I'll increase this box so that it's able to contain the size of the text that I'm going to be inputting very soon. So now what I'll do, I'll come here in my home, Then I will now change the handwriting to the one that I want. So let me see. No. I'll click on the one that I want. You know, I will. Let me see. I want this one, and then I'll choose the one that fits it perfectly. I think that 40 should be a good one. Nope. Nope. Mm, nope. Yes. So now that I've done that, I will Control A and increase my font size. And as you can see, this here is gonna, because the box is not big enough to contain it, I'll just increase it over here and I see free computer tutorials. Over here, I'll change the font style to the one that suits me best. I would like that maga something. Yeah, maga. Now increase the font size. Once I've done this, can see I'll just put it over here. Now I want to change the font color because it's looking too plain like this. Yes, on YouTube. Since the symbol for YouTube is red. So it will be okay like this. Now if I want to make a new one, just click on here and click on new slide. There's something that will do at the end of the lesson that you view the work and it will be fantastic. So now I'll come over here. I want to import a picture. Picture. I'll click on here. Now, basically menu appear and you choose the picture that you please to put in it. So I'll choose one of the pictures. It might be two. So I'll delete this. Increase it to fill the screen. Yes. Yes. And yes, it's done. Then I'll click on new slide. I'll just delete this one. I don't need to insert any more pictures again. Nothing. Thanks for watching. Oh, yeah, bolding it. I assume you already know how to do that. Or if you don't know how to do all these basic things I'm doing here and it looks new to you, please make sure to subscribe to this video for you to be able to get the previous video where we talk on how to do all of these things I'm doing here. So now we'll leave it like this. Now we'll go to the next phase. Now we already know all this formatting over here. So let me teach how to insert shapes. Let me draw a star. First of all, you go to insert, you click on your shapes, and you choose out of the various shapes that are over here. Now, let me see. Hmm, 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 hmm. What should I choose? What should I choose? Yes. But I'll put it over here. I'll click this. Say thanks for watching. Now, as you can see, I don't want it to be filled with green. Then there will be something like formats. Then you go there and you click this one and not choose how you want it to be. I will choose the outline to be red. So it will be like this. Thanks for watching. So So now that I've done this, I just draw another shape if I want, and I can draw as many shapes as I want. Depends. So now that I've done that, so I can just see. So we'll move to the next one, which are animations. Now, animations are like once you have clicked on your slideshow, how your text will come out. So let's just put some animations. Now, if you don't understand, when we display it, you will see what I'm talking about here. Um, let me see. Yeah. We have yes. Mm-hmm. You don't need any of those animations. And note to self, if you want to add an animation, first of all, you like click on it. Once you've clicked on it, then you now go to your animations and choose which animation you want. So this will be the animations that I would like. So let's display it on the slideshow. Now you can see it's only on YouTube that's showing here. Now click on next, episode 5, free computer tutorials on YouTube by Nnadi.B.C. As you can see how it came out. So please like, comment, share. Please share your comments with me. If I am not doing a good job, if I'm doing a good job, please let me know. And thank you for watching. So that will be all for today. Thank you for watching Nnadi.B.C computer tutorials, and please make sure to share with your friends, colleagues, and even family. Thank you very much.